Welcome back to Time Focus Blueprint. We've covered time management, prioritizing, avoiding distractions, and even automating your workflow. But there's one crucial element left that ties it all together: setting goals that stick. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to set goals that not only inspire you, but keep you motivated to see them through to the end. Let's be honest, most of us have set goals that we didn't follow through on. Whether it's getting fit, starting a new project, or learning a new skill, it's easy to set goals, but much harder to stick to them. So what's the problem? The issue often lies in how the goals are set. Here's an important truth. If your goals aren't clear, measurable, and connected to a bigger purpose, they're not going to last. That's why today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create goals that will keep you motivated, focused, and on track. The first thing you need to do is understand the difference between a goal and a wish. A wish is vague, like, I want to be healthier, or I want to make more money. A goal, on the other hand, is specific, like, I will lose 10 pounds by December, or I will increase my monthly income by 20% in 6 months. Goals need to be clear and concrete, not just wishful thinking. The best way to set effective goals is to use the SMART framework. You've probably heard of this, but let's break it down because it really does make a difference. Specific. Your goal should be clear and specific. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I will work out for 30 minutes 5 times a week. Measurable. You need to track your progress, so make your goal measurable. For example, I will save $500 each month is something you can measure and monitor. Achievable. Set a goal that is challenging but realistic. Don't aim to run a marathon in 2 weeks if you've never run before. Start with smaller, achievable steps that build towards your bigger goal. Relevant. Make sure your goal aligns with your bigger life ambitions. If your main focus is improving your career, then learning to cook gourmet meals might not be relevant right now. Time-bound. Every goal needs a deadline. It creates urgency and helps you stay focused. For instance, I will complete my online course by the end of the month. Using the SMART framework ensures that your goals are clear, actionable, and motivating. But let's go further, because even SMART goals can fail without the right mindset. One of the biggest challenges with goals is staying motivated. Motivation tends to fade over time, especially when progress is slow or obstacles pop up. So how do you keep your motivation high? Here are a few strategies. Break your goals into smaller steps. It's easy to get overwhelmed by big goals. By breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks, you can make steady progress without feeling discouraged. Every small step completed is a win, and those wins add up over time. Visualize your success. This might sound cliché, but it works. Spend a few minutes each day imagining what it will feel like to reach your goal. Picture yourself crossing that finish line, holding that diploma, or reaching that savings milestone. Visualization keeps your mind focused on the end result and can be a powerful motivator. Track your progress. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing how far you've come. Use a journal, an app, or even a simple checklist to keep track of your progress. When you see the small wins adding up, it'll push you to keep going. Reward yourself. Celebrate the small milestones on your way to your big goal. Rewards don't have to be extravagant. Maybe it's a treat, a night out, or just a quiet break to relax. Rewards reinforce the idea that you're making progress, and they keep the journey enjoyable. Another crucial element in setting goals is understanding your why. If your goal isn't connected to a strong reason, it's going to be difficult to stay committed. Ask yourself, why do I want to achieve this? Your why needs to be strong enough to pull you through the tough days when motivation is low. For example, if your goal is to start a business, your why might be to create financial freedom for your family, or to do work that makes a positive impact. Lastly, let's talk about accountability. When you have someone checking in on your progress, it makes a huge difference. Share your goals with a friend, a mentor, or even your social media community. Accountability partners can offer encouragement, give advice, and push you to stay on track. Let's recap. Set SMART goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable tasks so you can make steady progress. Visualize success and remind yourself of the bigger picture. Track your progress and celebrate small wins along the way. Always know your why to stay motivated. Find an accountability partner to keep you on track. Now it's your turn. Take a few minutes today to write down one big goal you want to achieve. Make it SMART, break it down into smaller steps, and start taking action. And if you're comfortable, share your goal in the comments below so we can cheer you on. In the next video, we're going to dive into the importance of routines and how they can help you maximize productivity. So make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Until then, set those goals, stay on track, and let's get focused.